They play football. They play football at school. They play football at school in the afternoon. She reads a book. She reads a book in the library. She reads a book in the library every morning. I watch TV. I watch TV in the living room. I watch TV in the living room at night. We eat lunch. We eat lunch at the cafe. We eat lunch at the cafe at 1 o'clock. He drinks coffee. He drinks coffee in the office. He drinks coffee in the office every day. They write emails. They write emails at work. They write emails at work before lunch. You do homework. You do homework at home. You do homework at home in the evening. She plays the piano. She plays the piano at the music school. She plays the piano at the music school on Saturdays. I talk to friends. I talk to friends at the park. I talk to friends at the park in the afternoon. We learn English. We learn English at school. We learn English at school every weekday. They take photos. They take photos in the garden. They take photos in the garden on weekends. He drives a car. He drives a car in the city. He drives a car in the city in the morning. She cleans the room. She cleans the room at home. She cleans the room at home every Sunday. I go shopping. I go shopping at the mall. I go shopping at the mall on Fridays. We play basketball. We play basketball at the gym. We play basketball at the gym in the evening. They cook dinner. They cook dinner in the kitchen. They cook dinner in the kitchen at 7 p.m. He studies math. He studies math in the classroom. He studies math in the classroom after lunch. She walks the dog. She walks the dog in the park. She walks the dog in the park every morning. I paint pictures. I paint pictures in the studio. I paint pictures in the studio on weekends. We visit Grandma. We visit Grandma at her house. We visit Grandma at her house on Sundays. You write poems. You write poems in your notebook. You write poems in your notebook at night. He plays video games. He plays video games in his room. He plays video games in his room on Saturday evenings. She eats breakfast. She eats breakfast in the kitchen. She eats breakfast in the kitchen at 8 o'clock. I listen to music. I listen to music in my room. I listen to music in my room at night. They swim. They swim in the pool. They swim in the pool on hot days. We ride bikes. We ride bikes in the park. We ride bikes in the park in the evening. You read stories. You read stories in the library. You read stories in the library after school. She bakes cakes. She bakes cakes in the oven. She bakes cakes in the oven every Sunday. He watches birds. He watches birds in the forest. He watches birds in the forest every morning. I play chess. I play chess at school. I play chess at school after class. They sing songs. They sing songs at the party. They sing songs at the party at midnight. We clean the house. We clean the house on weekends. We clean the house on weekends in the morning. You drink tea. You drink tea at the table. You drink tea at the table in the morning. She helps her mom. She helps her mom in the kitchen. She helps her mom in the kitchen every evening. He reads the news. He reads the news on his phone. He reads the news on his phone every morning. I write letters. I write letters at my desk. I write letters at my desk at night. They play tennis. They play tennis at the club. They play tennis at the club every Tuesday. We feed the cat. We feed the cat in the kitchen. We feed the cat in the kitchen every day. You draw pictures. You draw pictures in your sketchbook. You draw pictures in your sketchbook on weekends. She practices yoga. She practices yoga at the studio. She practices yoga at the studio in the evening. He takes a shower. He takes a shower in the bathroom. He takes a shower in the bathroom every night. I write a diary. I write a diary at home. I write a diary at home before bed. We make sandwiches. We make sandwiches in the kitchen. We make sandwiches in the kitchen at noon. They visit museums. They visit museums in the city. They visit museums in the city on holidays. You answer questions. You answer questions in class. You answer questions in class during the lesson. She fixes her bike. She fixes her bike in the garage. She fixes her bike in the garage every Saturday. He plays guitar. He plays guitar in the band. He plays guitar in the band on Friday nights. I play the drums. I play the drums in the garage. I play the drums in the garage in the evening. They dance. They dance at the studio. They dance at the studio every Thursday. We go camping. We go camping in the forest. We go camping in the forest every summer. You watch cartoons. You watch cartoons on TV. You watch cartoons on TV every morning. She waters flowers. She waters flowers in the garden. She waters flowers in the garden every day. He flies a kite. He flies a kite in the park. He flies a kite in the park when it's windy. I play with toys. I play with toys in my room. I play with toys in my room after school. They eat pizza. They eat pizza at the restaurant. They eat pizza at the restaurant on weekends. We draw animals. We draw animals at school. We draw animals at school in art class. You call friends. You call friends on the phone. You call friends on the phone at night. She rides a horse. She rides a horse at the farm. She rides a horse at the farm on Sundays. He builds models. He builds models at home. He builds models at home on rainy days. I pack my bag. I pack my bag in the morning. I pack my bag in the morning before school. They play instruments. They play instruments in music class. They play instruments in music class on Wednesdays.